Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, if you didn't know. Don't forget, before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm so excited this month because this month I actually got 2 BoxyCharms. So today we're going to be unboxing 2 BoxyCharms. I don't know why I got 2. I don't know if I paid for 2. I need to check my account and see. But for now, we will go ahead and do this. The first BoxyCharm, this is the first one I got because it is version 4. Version number 4. If you can see. There you go. And this is our little... I did not get Boxy Premium. I'm still on the waiting list. I did get the Becca foundation sheets, so I will be trying those out and see which one is my favorite color. I'm thinking I'm going to have to either go with Driftwood or Olive, one of these 2 shades. Not too sure. But I actually already have this foundation, so I should just go down there and look and see which one I got. Anyways. Next, I have the Becca, like everybody else. And please excuse me because I'm using a new camera and I haven't never used it before, so if I do something wrong, please forgive me. Like if the sound isn't playing or something. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Vanilla Quartz. I've seen this on some other videos. It will help if I open it from the right side. Oh yes, I like this. So pretty. Let's see if my camera will get a good... That's much better than using my phone, I think. But I love that. Let's see. That's such a pretty color. I think I might use that tomorrow. My daughter has another competition tomorrow for cheerleading. Let's see how much that is worth. And I actually can use my calculator on my phone now since I'm not using it to record, which is amazing. If I can find it on my phone. Yeah, okay. The Becca highlighter. Where is it at? $38. So this box cost me, I think, $25. I think that's what it was supposed to be this month. So just that one highlighter paid for the box. Okay. Next thing is a whole bunch of padding. Trash cans. Okay. And I did get the brushes that everybody else got. I do like those. Let's see how much those are worth. These are the BoxyCharm exclusive, not exclusive, but made. The BoxyCharm brand. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see how much those are worth. The brushes. 2-piece brush set. $35. That's the value they gave their brushes. So, their first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. So we'll have to try out their first ever brush set. They feel very soft but thick. You know, like this would probably be like a cream contour brush, and this would probably be like a cream foundation brush, I think. Just my personal opinion. Okay, next in the box is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette. I love all these colors except for the black. I don't usually do a lot of black glittery eyeshadows, but we'll live with it, and you'll see why in my next video of my declutter. And this is the very big huge mirror, which is beautiful. I love those colors though. Anyways, the Celestial Thunder palette is worth, let's see, very first thing on the list, $35. So the next thing we have is, I was wondering if I was going to get this or not, but the Kypress come on, take my face out of you and it might zoom in. This is the Kypress exclusive to BoxyCharm. Apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for best results, combined with Kypress Beauty Elixir. Let's see. It is in this pretty blue bottle, which I love. I'm going to have to try this out and let y'all know next month how it works, or if it works at all. I don't even know what it's supposed to do. Let's see. This Kypress is, I knew it was the most expensive thing in the box. It was $90. I'm going to have to look that up on the internet to see if that is actually true. Lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. I think it's just a fancy way of saying it's a moisturizer, but we'll see. Okay, the last thing in my box is the Tula Skincare Star Bright Nurturing and Brightening Hydrogel Mask. You can see those. If I can get my head out the way. Yep. These are worth $22. So they're like $11.50 a piece. Clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne. I could definitely do with some dark spots being brightened or taken away. So, all in all, I think that is a good box. It is a $220 value. If you can even see it. Can you see those numbers? No, you can't because it's not up there. Here we go. There we go. $220 value. So, you pay $25 plus taxes, and you get $220 worth of product. So, that was version number 4. And like I said, I got a second box this month. I don't know why. I don't know if I paid for it, but I will go check and see. I probably did. It's very rarely you get anything for free in the mail, especially when you're just starting out. Put my Becca. I hope I got another Becca thing. That would be awesome. Highly unlikely though. Okay, this is version number, clear my calculator, 22. If you can see that. Anyway, maybe you've seen it, maybe you didn't. Okay. In this box, version 22, I got actually the concealer. Now I won't be able to tell them what my range is in this because I don't know why they sent me this box. So I would probably just do, I might actually do this is Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. I might do this because I've already got the Becca foundation. So I might actually do the thing for this. and I know I would just use the fair one because I always go the lightest color when I do my concealer. So, okay, the first thing that I pull out is Juice Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, which I need because I got wrinkles everywhere under my eyes, and I hate it. But I'm getting older, so what do? I think I have something like this already, actually. It's not up here. I think it's in my bathroom that I already used. Juice Beauty Stem. Okay. This Juice Beauty is worth $50. Again, I'm going to go online and check and see the real prices of this, because I know some of these places are known to hype up their prices, so I will do that just to see. I mean, this is weird looking. Oh. I think somebody said they got this and it didn't really work. Feels nice though. Feels like it would work. I don't know. I'm going to try it out and we'll see. I'll try this out with the Kypress and we'll see. Couldn't hurt. Okay. Again, we've got all this foam stuff that we don't need, but it helps protect the box. Okay. I've also got the Milk Makeup holographic stick. Let's see. I don't particularly care for this color, but if I build it up, you can see the color. The first swatch wasn't really that great, but my daughter might like it. I don't know. We'll see. That is worth Milk Cosmetics Milk Makeup Holographic Stick, $28. So, with the first product, the $50 product, supposedly, it already paid for the box. So, the next thing I pull out is a Dose of Colors Date Night Lip something. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it is not my color. So, it is a red, and I'm not a red lipstick type of person, so it will probably go in a giveaway box, because me and my daughter are going to wear red lipstick. We just don't. So I'm going to put this down here with all my giveaway stuff. And of course we got the Celestial Thunder. How much was that Dose of Colors? I forgot to add it. It was $18 for the Dose of Colors. Okay, this is the Celestial Thunder palette again. I think I might put it down there for either a giveaway, unless my daughter wants it. I'm going to go see. So if she wants it and I pay for it, then why not? That was $35 like in the other one. And the last thing we got is a Illuminati sponge, which I got in a Babe box just a couple of months ago. Not a couple, last month. And it's a pink one. I just pulled it right out of the box. Didn't even show you. It was like this, just in case you're wondering. Just like this. It's a little stiff. I thought it might be, they might be like the beauty blenders, but they're a lot more stiff than the beauty blenders. And these are actually $21. So if I want to spend $20 on a sponge, I'm going to get a beauty blender, not a Illuminati whatever. $21. So this box is not worth quite as much. 35, 50, 18, 21, and 28. Yeah, not worth quite as much. This one is $152 worth. But all in all, it's still worth the $25 that you spend on just the box, in my opinion. Unless you won't never use any of these products, then of course it wouldn't be worth it, but I will definitely use every single one of these products, and I'll try to let you know next month whether or not the Kypress or In my boxes, I chose to have less skincare because I have so much skincare already, but I will try to let you guys know whether or not I think these two products are worth it. I mean, $50 and $90. I will probably never ever repurchase these, but since they're in the box, I can get to try them out. Anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified of my future uploads. And